A very good morning.
Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has been facing the wrath of the political arena following his one small rape remark. Meanwhile, NNIS spoke to NCW member Nirmala Samant Prabhavalkar, Women Congress President Shobha Oza and Congress leader Rashid Alvi, who condemned Jaitley's statement and called it unfortunate. The Tayoka feels that such statement depicts the mindset of the Saffron Party leaders who are too thick-skinned to step down from their post on moral ground. Meanwhile, Oza also demanded that Jaitley should apologize to every woman of the country for his irresponsible statement.
It is very sad and very unfortunate that the person of a stature of the finance minister should come to this level of comparing rape as a small or big. It's very unfortunate, very insensitive statement, and moreover to connect with the Indian economy and loss of it is further, it's not in a very sensitive way. He shouldn't have spoken like this, and we condemn it.
It is a very shameful and idiotic statement, and the finance minister of this country is not worried about women atrocities, about rape cases and about the Nirbhaya case, which was so horrendous, and he speaks in such a irresponsible manner and gives such a irresponsible statement. The finance minister, this clearly shows the finance minister's mindset, the mindset of the government and the mindset of the BJP party, because this is the way they think about women atrocities, and he should definitely apologize to the women of this country and change his mindset. And we are, in fact, the women of this country are really annoyed with this government, because this very rape case the BJP made an issue and came into the government, and now it is a non-issue for them since they are in the government. What more can you hope from this government when Mr. Nihal Chand, who is alleged in a rape case, has not resigned as of date? Do you think Mr. Jaitley is going to resign? They are too thick-skinned to do anything of that.
देखिए, ऐसा बयान बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। मुझे नहीं मालूम उन्होंने क्यों इस तरीके का बयान दिया है। एक ऐसी घटना जिसने पूरे देश को हिला दिया, वो छोटी घटना नहीं हो सकती, और किसी भी महिला के साथ बलात्कार हो, वो कहीं भी हो, वो छोटी घटना नहीं होती। वो तो देश के माथे पर कलंक है। उसको मिटाने के लिए हमें हर कोशिश करनी चाहिए, और अगर कोई मंत्री इस तरीके की बात करता है तो उसकी सरकार और उसकी मानसिकता का पता चलता है।
Powered by NNIS.